Hi, my name is Megs, and I'm super excited to sneak peek April's Glam Bag and Boxycharm. Let's get right into it. And starting out with the Glam Bag, the You and Me in Miami eyeshadow palette. Look at all these beautiful shades. We have some shimmer and matte colors here. Let's swatch some. Ooh, and this gold is very pigmented, finely milled. It packs such a beautiful shimmer to it, making it really nice and easy to blend. I love this. Ooh, and look at this green matte shadow, so pretty. I can see myself doing a pretty smoky eye with this. And look at this purple, oh my goodness. I love how sparkly this is and it looks amazing. This would be perfect for nights out. Now moving on to Benefit, the POREfessional Deep Retreat Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. It's pore refining, mattifying, and still great for dry skin. And look how fun this is. It's a purple clay mask. It's really nice and smooth too. And it's gonna draw out all the excess dirt and oil from your pores. And it's the perfect travel size, especially after a long flight. Put a little bit on your T-zone or your problem areas and you're good to go. And next we have the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is anti-frizz and an anti-humidity treatment. And it lasts 3 to 4 shampoos, leaving your hair really nice, soft, and silky. And this is great if you want that glossy finish to your hair, and is also really good for medium to fine hair types. So you want to apply this to towel dried hair in sections and spray each section liberally and comb through. And then blow dry and you have silky, smooth, frizz-free hair. And now we have the BLINC Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara. If you're looking for fluffy, full lashes, this tubing mascara will give you volume and length. And last for Glam Bag, we have this Rachel Couture Lip Duo. And for this lip duo, we have a shimmer and we have a clear. And I love this wash of color. It's not sticky either. It's feeling really nice and smooth, and I love the subtle shimmer. And I love how this gloss makes my lips look really glossy and juicy. Now moving on to Boxycharm. And starting off with NATASHA DENONA Hot Taupic eyeshadow palette. I love NATASHA DENONA eyeshadow palettes. They're so soft, so easy to blend. It's like butter. The shadows are like chef's kiss. Let's swatch this. Pigment is there. It's so soft and so smooth. And this is why NATASHA is the eyeshadow queen. And I love this silver shade. It's so beautiful. And in this palette, we have 5 beautiful shades, 3 shimmer shades that give a blinding foil look, and we have 2 mattes that are really nice and pigmented as well. You can create so many blinding, beautiful looks with this. Next, we have this Tower 28 Lip Jelly in the color Pistachio. And I love this wand, making it super easy to apply to my lips, giving me some beautiful color. It glides on my lips so nice and soft. It's not sticky, and I love the color payoff. Very natural and very cutesy. Look how this finish is. It's so pretty. Now that's a gloss. And get ready for this one, the RODIAL Pink Diamond Lifting Oil. And this one is really special. It has actual diamond powder in this. It's a velvety light oil to smooth out your complexion. It's giving radiant, lifting, even skin tone. And that diamond powder is giving nice, natural, soft glow. And that vitamin C is gonna give you that even skin tone that we love. It enhances skin's radiance and smoothness, and it tightens the skin. I feel rich just smelling this. And this next product I'm super excited about, and I think you'll be excited too, and it is the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Long Wear Gel Eyeliner, and it comes in 3 different shades. So you might be getting one of these. Let's check out these shades and let's swatch them. These are so smooth, so juicy, so pigmented. Okay, Selena wasn't playing with this. Look at this beautiful shade. I love this. Ooh, they're so smooth. And this plum shade would be perfect for anyone who has dark, beautiful brown eyes. Wow. It almost reminds me of lip liner. They're so creamy, they're so smooth, and they glide just effortlessly. And it's waterproof and long lasting. What else can we ask for? Thank you, Selena. Last but not least, we have the What's Up Beauty Rosehippity Matte Liquid Blush. And it has this really nice sponge tip. Ooh, look at all that color. And let's swatch it. Ooh, look at all this color payoff, super pigmented. And it's gonna give a really nice, natural, warm flush to your skin. And I'm so excited to try this with my makeup looks. And that does it for April's Glam Bag and Boxycharm spoilers. Subscribe to Boxycharm and Glam Bag with the link in the description box below. Lastly, like this video and comment with your favorite spoiler, and subscribe to the channel to stay in the know. Bye!